Babuji and Jimmy Choo. उठे ही बोल लो that. Sweet. So he went up on the sofa and look, he's sitting on Payal's lap. Oh my god, Babuji is so sweet. And Toby is getting possessive. Look at Toby. So everybody wants to be on Payal's lap. See. And that's not, let me lift Jimmy Choo also. See. This is amazing. This is really amazing. How sweetly he's sitting on Payal's lap. Oh my god. They understand love so much. And look at Toby. He is like Payal is mine as usual. Look at Toby. And Toby loves Babuji. Babuji also loves Toby. Toby is very good with puppies. Every puppy loves Toby, and Toby also loves the puppies. This is really amazing. So sweet. How babies they. And that's Pogo and Puma. Pogo and Puma. Pogo is wagging tail, he's playing with Puma. And this is Babuji, Jimmy Choo and Toby. So let them all play. I mean, I cannot stop capturing. The whole day I cannot stop watching them. So sweet. Look at them. Oh my god. Just look at them. So cute. So Babuji got a playmate in Jimmy Choo.